Sound It Out Phonics brings you Learn CH, SH, TH and NG, Phase 3, Set 3 of Letters and Sounds by Lilybet's Resources. C and H together make one sound, ch. Say it with me. Ready? Ch. Say these words. Can you hear the sound ch? Sometimes it comes at the end of a word, so listen carefully. One picture does not have the sound ch. Can you find it? Okay, let's have a look together. First we have a chain. Ch, ch, chain. Give that a tick. It's got ch. Ooh, some lovely chocolate. Ch, 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 chocolate. Yes. Chicks. Ch, ch, chicks. Can you hear it there at the beginning? Ch, icks. Yeah. Ooh, a bag of chips. I love chips. Ch, 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 chips. Can you hear it? I hope you can. Switch. Ah, it's at the end this time, so listen carefully. Ready? Switch. Give that a tick. Cherries. Ch, ch, cherries. Yes, they begin with a sound ch. Fish. No. There's our odd one out. Fish has got the sound sh. Match. It's at the end again. I can hear ch. Match. Can you? And then last of all, chair. Ch, ch, chair. Very good. Okay, let's have a look at a word that's got our new sound ch in it. Now I've written it in red to help you to see it clearly, and I've put one sound button underneath it to remind you that C and H together makes one sound ch. Okay, so we're going to begin by saying ch and then I, n. Listen. Ch, I, n. Can you hear what I'm saying? Here it is. Ch, in, chin. Here's another word for you to look at. First we notice our new sound, C and H together say ch. So we say, ready to sound it out with me, ch, ip, ch, ip, chip. Well done. This time, look, I've put s on the end. So now we've got ch, ip, s, chips. One chip, lots of chips. There it is. Ch, ip, s, chips. Here's another word. Let's say the sounds together. Ready? Ch, ick. Ah, I hope you didn't get tricked. I've put a line under CK to remind you that those two letters make one sound together as well. So there's only one sound button underneath them. Let's do that again in case you weren't too sure. Ready? Ch, ick. What are we saying? Ch, ick, chick. That's right. Let's put the letters back together again, and here's our word. Ch, ick, chick. Now if I put an S on the end of the word chick, what do we get? Well, that's simple. Ch, ick, chick, s, chicks. One chick and two chicks. That's clever, isn't it? Let's look at some more words. Have a go now for yourself. What does this word say? All right, we remember that C and H together make the sound ch, and then we say ch, op, chop. Here's another one. Have a go by yourself. Okay, we remember that C and H make one sound together, and then we say s, a, ch, such, such, such a lot of noise. Here's another one. Can you read this one? There we go. We've marked our ch sound. So now we say chap, chap. What a jolly little chap. Have a go with this one. Now let's have a look at it together. We mark the sound ch, and this time it's at the end of the word. But that doesn't make it any harder. It's just as easy. Ready? Rich, rich. Lots of money that person's got. He's rich. Now try this one. If we look at it together, you can see whether you were right. Again, it's got our new sound at the end. So we say much, much. Well done. Now we have a sentence for you to read. Check for the new sound first. Sound out the words. Have a go by yourself. If you need to pause the video while you read it, then do so. Okay, so we mark our CH words. Here they are to remind us to make one sound when we see those letters together. And then we read. Ready? He is a rich, chap. Now we're going to say the sentence again. Now we know what it says to say it properly. Ready? He is a rich chap. This one's a bit longer, but it's just as simple. Try by yourself first, and don't forget to pause the video if you need more time. Okay, so we mark in the CH words, and then we read. The rich man chats to the dog. Now we can read it again properly. Ready? The rich man chats to the dog. Very good. Now we've learnt the sound ch, so I'm going to give you a big golden star to say, well done. Keep practicing, won't you? In this lesson, we're going to learn a new sound, sh. The letters S and H together say sh. Put your finger to your lips and say shh. Say each word and listen for the sound sh. Sometimes it comes at the end of a word, so listen carefully. Can you find the odd one out? Let's have a little look together. We've got, first of all, a shell. Shell. Yes, that's got sh. What about shop? Can you hear it there? Shop. Yep, we'll give that one a tick. What about brush? Can you hear it at the end? Brush. That's got sh. Cherries. Cherries. They're not sherries, are they? Can you hear the difference? Cherries and sherries. Sh is a softer sound. No, they've got ch in them. That won't work. What about a shirt? Yeah, that's got sh. Fish? Yes, fish. And then a shed. You can hear it there, can't you? Well done. Now we're going to look at a word that's got our new sound in it. You'll notice that I've only got one sound button under the letters S and H, because remember, they're going to make one sound together. Shh. So say the sounds with me. Ready? F, I, sh, fish, fish. Let's try this one. Ready? Let's say the sounds together. Sh, it, ship, ship. There it is. Ship. Now it's time for you to have a turn by yourself. I'll just give you a few seconds just to have a go. If you need to stop the video to give you more time, then please do so. Okay, now when you look at a word, you want to look to see if there are any letters that together make one sound. And here, of course, we've got our new sound, sh. All right, so we notice that and we say sh, up, shop. Now when you're reading, you won't want to mark it in red or any other colour, but you'll just make a little note in your head just to make one sound when you see those letters. All right, so let's look at the next word and you have a go. Here we are. All right, off you go by yourself. There. I hope you put those two letters together to say sh. Let's say it together. Ready? Shed. Shed. Well done. Let's look at the next one. Have a go by yourself first. We notice that this word has got two L's at the end of it, and we remember that we only say one of them. We just need to say L for that there. And then we see that it's got sh at the beginning. All right, so we sound it out and we say shell, 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 a shell on the seashore. Well done. This one's a little bit trickier and I want you to look very, very carefully before you try and sound it out. Did you notice? It's not only got sh at the beginning, but it's got CK making one sound k at the end. So it's got lots of letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but only 3 sounds. Sh, ok, sh, ok, shock. I hope you didn't get a shock when you found that you could read it. because you are getting clever now, you know. So clever that you can have a read of my sentence. It's not difficult. I'll give you a minute just to have a little look. Remember, check it out for all those letters that together make one sound. So we mentally make a note of them. We see that we've got sh here, rash, rash, and then here we've got ch that we've already met, saying ch, in, chin. And now we are ready to read it, okay? The man has a rash on his chin. Let's read that one more time together. Ready? The man has a rash on his chin. Excellent. Here's another one for you to try. So we find all the two letters that make one sound. We've got ch here, rich, rich, and then we've got sh here, fish, fish, and we've got shop, shop, and then we can read it. Ready? The rich man gets fish in the shop. Shop. Let's read it again properly now, shall we? The rich man gets fish in the shop. Well done. You're doing so well. Now I'm going to give you a big golden star because you've worked so hard and you're getting so clever. So well done and keep practicing. T and H together say th. Look at your mouth in a mirror as you say th. Your tongue should be between your teeth and you should see your tongue poking out. Say it with me. Ready? Here are some words with the sound th in them. Listen as we say them. Ready? We'll start just here with the number 3. Put your tongue between your teeth and blow, ready to say 3. And then down here we've got a thorn, thorn. If you look in a mirror as you say each of these words, you will see your tongue poking out. Up here we've got a moth, th at the end of that word, moth. And here a thistle, and lastly a thimble. Let's look at some words that have the sound th in them. Here's a nice, sweet, easy one to begin with. Let's say the sounds together. Ready? Remember, th together make one new sound, th. So we put our tongue between our teeth. Ready? Th, in, thin, thin. The opposite of thick, thickened, thin. And there's a thin slice of toast. Let's read a word that has our new sound th in it. Have a look at this one. We start remembering that T and H together make one sound, and we say th, is, this, this. All right, not too difficult, is it? Let's try again with another word. Have a look at this one. T and H together say th, and we say th, at, that, that. Did you manage? Well done. That. Have a go at this one by yourself. Did you notice? There's the TH, makes one sound, n, then. What could we put that in a sentence to say? I went to the shops, then I went home again. Here's another one. You're getting very clever at them now. I'm sure you'll manage this one quite easily. There we go. TH. Put the tongue between the teeth. Them. Them. Will you go with me or will you go with them? Or look at them. They're having fun. Another one for you. There we go. Marking the TH just so that we know it's there. With. 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 Shall I go with you? Would you like to go with me? What shall we have with our chips for tea tonight? We can use that word in lots of sentences, can't we? Have a look at this word. And there we have it. Moth. Moth. Not a butterfly, but a moth. Here's another one for you to try. See if you can read this one, but look very carefully because it's a little tricky. Did you notice that this word hasn't only got TH, but it's also got CK, making a nice big hard K at the end. So we're going to say thick, thick. Here we have another little word that I expect you know by now anyway, but just out of point of interest, you can see that it begins with our new sound, TH, with the tongue between the teeth. But you might think that you can't sound it out. In actual fact, you can. This little word belongs with the words me, he, she, and be. I mean, I want to be a doctor when I grow up, that sort of be. And we would normally say it the, and sometimes we do. But I would imagine you think of it as being the. However you think of it, it comes into this family as a TH word. The apple, the egg. Alright, and you need to know how to spell it, but I'm sure you do anyway. Most children just say THE, the. Now we're going to read some sentences. I'm going to give you a chance first to have a look and see if you can read them by yourself. So if you need to stop the video to have more time, then please do that. So as we look at this sentence, we notice first of all that we've got TH here, this. We've got TH here, thin, and we've got CH saying ch here, ch, ip, chip. And then we're ready to read. Okay, sound out again if we need to. This is a thin chip. Let's say it again properly. Ready? This is a thin chip. Do you like thin chips? I like thick chips. Here's another one for you. Have a look first by yourself. Now let's have a look together. Did you spot the TH here? With, and the TH here? Them. I hope you did. Now let's read it together, shall we? I will go with them. You might not have needed to sound out those other words, but some children might have done. Let's read it again and see if we can do it without needing to sound out now to put some expression in. Ready? I will go with them. I will go with them. Well done. Now I'm going to give you a big golden star because you've worked so hard and you're getting so clever. So well done and keep practicing. Now we've got another new sound. We've got the letters N and G, and together they say a rather nasal sound. In other words, it comes through your nose. Ng, ng. You can feel your nose vibrating if you hold on to it as you say ng. It's sort of like a little tickly feeling. Ng. Now we can put ng with the vowels a, e, I, o, a bit like we did ak, ek, ik, ok, uk. Listen as I say these parts of words. Ang, eng, ing, ong, ung. I expect you recognise ing. We put that on the end of lots of words, don't we? Running, skipping, hopping, jumping. But it's got ng at the end. And these other words are going to be just as easy. Have a look at this one. We notice it's got I in the middle. With ng on the end, that'll make ing. All we need to do is pop in front of it, and we get ing, ring. Couldn't be any simpler, could it? Ring. And there it is. Here are some words with the sound ang in them. See if you can read them by yourself, and then we'll have a little look together. Stop the video if you need more time. There, you see, we've got our new sound ng, and all of these words have got a, ng, ang in them. So all we need to do is to put the first letter with ang to make the word. Let's start here. Ang, rang. She rang the doorbell. This one, ang, bang. What a loud bang. And the last one, sang, sang. She sang beautifully. Here we have ing words. Can you read them? Have a go by yourself first. We note these words have got the sound ng at the end, and all of these words have got ing, ing. So now we can read them. Ing, sing. What shall we sing today? Ing, king. Who's the king of the castle? Oh, and did you notice, or did it trick you? We've got th here, so we put our tongue between our teeth and we say ing, thing. What's this funny thing that I can see? On we go to ong. Have a look at these ong words. I'm sure you can read them. They're not difficult. There we are. Just make them red to remind us. Ung. So here we have l, ong, long. It's a long way home. Song, song. Which song shall we sing? And then b-ong, bong, bong, bong. That's a funny noise, isn't it? Last of all, some words with ung. Have a look first. There, I'm sure you noticed the ng sound at the end. S-a-ng, sung. She sang a song. No, that won't do, will it? She sung a song. Notice we've got sing, sang, and song and sung. All of those words here have got ng in them. R-ung, rung, a rung of a ladder. Ung, hung. She hung her coat on the peg. And now for some sentences. Have a little look through. Look for any sounds that you might know and recognise, and then have a go at reading it. Stop the video if you need more time. Did you notice? We've got two words with the sound ng in them. Sang and song. Sang, song. So let's have a read, shall we? The lad sang a song. Read it again with a bit more expression. The lad sang a song. Can you sing a song? Let's look at the next one. Look for the letters that go together to make one sound. There. We've got TH here, that, TH here, moth, and NG, ng, here, wings, wings. All right, so let's have a go at reading it, shall we? That moth has red wings. Now let's read it properly. That moth has red wings. Now I'm going to give you a big golden star because you've worked so hard and you're getting so clever. So well done and keep practicing.